Section 1. Aiming for the stars, achieving exam success. Exams are more than just tests of knowledge. They're opportunities to showcase your hard work and dedication. Believing in your ability to succeed is crucial. A positive mindset can make all the difference. When you approach exams with confidence, you unlock your full potential. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take towards your goals brings you closer to your dreams. Embrace the challenge of exams with a positive mindset. You have the power within you to achieve great things. Remember that your self-worth is not defined by exam scores. You are capable of learning, growing, and succeeding. Believe in yourself, put in the effort, and you will reap the rewards of your hard work. Your journey towards exam success starts with a single step. Take that step with confidence and determination.
The power of a healthy diet. A healthy diet is essential for optimal brain function. Your brain needs nutritious foods to perform at its best. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods support cognitive function and memory. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Opt for healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or yogurt. A healthy diet sets you up for success in your studies and beyond.
A healthy body means a healthy mind, exercise, and concentration. Regular exercise sharpens your mind and boosts mood. Physical activity releases endorphins, reducing stress. It improves blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise most days. Activities like walking, running, swimming, or cycling. Find an activity you enjoy to stick with it. Exercise enhances focus, memory, and cognitive performance.
Section 4. Morning memory magic making formulas stick. Memorizing formulas can be a daunting task, but there's a simple technique that can make it easier. Review them in the morning and at night. When you wake up, your mind is fresh and receptive to new information. Take a few minutes to go over the formulas you need to memorize. This will help solidify them in your short-term memory. Before you go to bed, review the formulas again. This reinforces what you learned earlier in the day and helps transfer it to your long-term memory. Our brains continue to process information while we sleep. By reviewing formulas before bed, you're essentially giving your brain a head start on consolidating the information. This simple yet effective technique leverages the power of spaced repetition. By spacing out your review sessions, you enhance your brain's ability to retain information. Make it a habit to incorporate morning and night formula reviews into your study routine.
Section 5. The FiveTime Rule. Mastering problem solving. In the realm of mathematics and problem solving, practice truly does make perfect. One highly effective strategy is the FiveTime Rule. This rule suggests that to truly master a problem, you should solve it at least 5 times. The first time you solve a problem, you're essentially familiarizing yourself with the concept and the steps involved. The second time, you'll start to develop a deeper understanding of the underlying principles. By the third and fourth attempts, you'll gain confidence and fluency in your approach. The fifth time you solve the problem, it should feel almost effortless. This repetition reinforces the neural pathways in your brain associated with that particular problem-solving process. It's not just about rote memorization, it's about developing a deep understanding that allows you to tackle similar problems with ease in the future. Remember, mastery is not about speed, but about depth of understanding.
Section 6. Time is your ally. Maximizing study efficiency. Effective time management is crucial for exam success. Identify your most productive times of day. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Schedule your study sessions during those times when your concentration is at its peak. Break down your study material into manageable chunks. Instead of trying to cram everything in one sitting, focus on one topic or concept at a time. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Step away from your books every hour or so to clear your head. Go for a walk, listen to music, or do something else you enjoy. Avoid distractions during your study sessions. Put away your phone, turn off social media notifications, and find a quiet place where you can focus. Remember, quality study time is more important than quantity. By managing your time effectively, you can optimize your study sessions and retain information more efficiently.
Section 7. Charting your course. Finding your study path. Each individual learns differently. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to discover your own unique learning style and tailor your study methods accordingly. Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, or a kinesthetic learner? Experiment with different study techniques, such as using flashcards, listening to recordings, or teaching concepts to others. Take inspiration from successful individuals in your field of study. Research their study habits, routines, and strategies. For example, Elon Musk, the renowned entrepreneur and engineer, is known for his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his ability to connect seemingly disparate concepts. He emphasizes first principles thinking, a method of breaking down complex problems into their fundamental truths. By understanding the underlying principles, he can then reason up to build innovative solutions. While Musk's approach may not be directly applicable to every field, his emphasis on deep understanding and unconventional thinking can serve as a valuable lesson.
Section 8. The power of perseverance. Never giving up on your dreams. The path to success is rarely linear. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. However, it's during these times that perseverance becomes paramount. Remember why you started on this journey in the first place. Visualize your goals and remind yourself of the rewards that await you. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Reach out to teachers, classmates, or mentors for guidance and support. Remember, everyone faces challenges, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Surround yourself with a positive and supportive network. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome obstacles. Section 9. Practice makes perfect. Mastering math and beyond. In the pursuit of academic excellence, consistent practice is the cornerstone of success. This is especially true in subjects like mathematics, where concepts build upon one another. Regular practice not only reinforces your understanding, but also helps you identify areas where you need further improvement. Just like an athlete trains their body, you need to train your mind. Set aside dedicated time each day for practice. Start with the fundamentals and gradually work your way up to more challenging concepts. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. View them as opportunities for learning and growth. Analyze your errors, understand the underlying reasons behind them, and strive to avoid repeating them. Seek feedback from your teachers or peers. A fresh perspective can often provide valuable insights. Remember, mastery is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of learning and enjoy the satisfaction that comes with conquering new challenges.